Please be advised of the disclaimers.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Sai with Pinnacle Trading here. So today we're going to do our 5-minute market recap. We're going to keep it simple, straight to the point. So today we see markets come down. S&P 500 close to down about 4% today. We saw the entire week it's just been down. It tried to recover but just kept getting rejected. We had a lot of big earnings, all of the Facebook, Amazon, Netflix, Google, Tesla, a lot of these earnings, the big stocks, we've seen them just come down. So that's bringing down the market as well. We also see the recurring tensions that are going on. Main thing is inflation, the rate hikes that are going on, and also Dow tumbled more than 900 points today. Nasdaq down, drops about 4% on today. It's been a brutal month, but this is the last trading day for April 2022. We're going to go into May starting on Monday. So let's take a look at what's actually going on and what levels we're going to look at on the S&P 500. That way you can take a look at what key prices with support resistance levels. So I'm going to show you that just right now. So we saw markets come down in March. We saw the 410 area kind of test, and then it jumped back up to 460. We thought, oh, it would go back up to all-time highs, which is right over there, 470, 480 area, but it just couldn't head over there. So that's why we're seeing markets come back down again. That's also increased the amount of times they're going to hike the rates this year into next year, about 3 to 4 times. And also we saw inflation just go up, skyrocket like crazy. So we're seeing that take effect. But right now, today, we're seeing support still at the 410. Once that breaks, I want to be very careful on adding because it can easily flush down to 400. Let me show you why. Let's pull up the Fibonacci chart and we'll take a look. On the 3-year chart, we can see that 420 has been the big support. We also saw that the entire week, every time it dipped below 420, it came above. Today is the first day that it dipped below the previous correction level, and right now, let's zoom in, it's at 412 right now. So next level is going to be the 400. Whole dollar numbers are very important because just mentally 50 cents, $1, the whole dollar number are very critical. And algorithms, people, just in general, it's not just a market, it's just a number thing that gets people. The 400 is going to be a big support level. That's where I have my alert set at. If it goes below 400, I'm going to wait off because it can be a panic flash, it can be a big market crash, a recession, whatever it is. I just want to be a little bit more careful if it does get to there and doesn't hold. If it does get there, look for the next support to be at 380 and then all the way down at 350. I don't see it going there this year, but again, anything can happen. So we look at the support levels, resistance levels, and then we play it from there. And then whatever happens, then we size our positions accordingly and we go from there. So next, resistance, which is when markets go up, the up levels are going to be at 440, 450, and 460. That's what we've seen before. So we're going to see the same thing again. And then again, obviously after that, it's going to be all-time highs at 480 and 500. So those are the main key levels. Let's jump back into the regular chart as well. Looking at the 3-year chart, we've seen the previous support broken. So next support is obviously down at 400. And if you want to look at the longer term chart, the 20-year chart, same thing, 400, big level. And we're also seeing the MACD curl down, RSI curl down. It's only at 50 on the RSI. So looks like we have more of a sell-off to go. I'm not a financial advisor in any way, but I see this as a great opportunity to add for long term. That's what I'm calling out in the chat room. Free to join, by the way. Join the chat room, link in the description below. I call out all the long-term alerts based on my portfolio and what I think is a solid. If I'm not taking something or if I'm not doing something, I won't be alerting it. Or if I don't see a solid opportunity, I'm not going to call it out. So I see a solid opportunity to add in the market right now. On April 18th, I started adding at 436. Markets jumped to about 444 and a little bit more. And then it started coming back down to 430, 420, all the way down to about 412 today. So I added more. We also got a lot of nice solid swing trades on TQQQ, Visa, Apple earnings, and a lot of trades on TQQQ because that's nice big mover. So chat room is free to join. Again, I see this as a solid opportunity to add for long term. Look at the maximum chart. We see dips all over the place, but if you're in it, like quote, time in market is always going to beat timing the market, because it's very hard to time the bottom and top. But if your time in market is going to be years, decades, then most likely markets are going to be higher than what they are today. And that's just historically proven. I'm not a financial advisor in any way. I'm just showing you charts based on what's happened in the past. If you want to enhance your education in the stock market, head over to my website, pinnacletrading.us. Scroll down, you can join our free chat room by clicking that button right there. But more importantly, the Pinnacle Trading course is where you can cut your learning curve, and I offer stock market education from the basics to the advanced strategies, how to trade, invest, and build a portfolio, and also some of my secrets to you that are very simple but powerful strategies to use. And this is a limited time course and also includes lifetime VIP access. So make sure to check out the course if you're ready to take your stock market education to the next level.